Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Is this yours?
Is this yours?
Is this yours?
Is this yours?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
What's this?
What's this?
What's this?
What's this?
Is that yours?
Is that yours?
Is that yours?
Is that yours?
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please.
Can you help?
Can you help?
Can you help?
Can you help?
It's over there.
It's over there.
It's over there.
It's over there.
Is this right?
Is this right?
Is this right?
Is this right?
Yes, that's correct.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes, that's correct.
Where is he?
Where is he?
Where is he?
Where is he?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name's Tom.
My name's Tom.
My name's Tom.
My name's Tom.
Is this a gift?
Is this a gift?
Is this a gift?
Is this a gift?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
No, it's food.
No, it's food.
No, it's food.
No, it's food.
Excuse me, who?
Excuse me, who?
Excuse me, who?
Excuse me, who?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm at home.
I'm at home.
I'm at home.
I'm at home.
Is she there?
Is she there?
Is she there?
Is she there?
Yes, she's here.
Yes, she's here.
Yes, she's here.
Yes, she's here.
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
Is it cold?
Is it cold?
Is it cold?
Is it cold?
No, it's warm.
No, it's warm.
No, it's warm.
No, it's warm.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Where are we?
Where are we?
We're at school.
We're at school.
We're at school.
We're at school.
Is that yours?
Is that yours?
Is that yours?
Is that yours?